scientific basis to expect third wave of COVID-19, says Madras High Court. A month after taking suo motu on COVID-19 resource management of the state, the Madras High Court on Tuesday closed the plea after observing that there is no scientific basis, as of now, to expect the third wave and even less scientific basis to fear that the third wave may attack children more. However, the court in its orders said, facilities developed on an emergency basis to deal with the second surge are not to be dismantled immediately so that in the event there is a third surge within the next 4 to 6 months, the same may be tackled with adequate facilities at hand. The first bench, comprising Chief Justice Sanjib Banerjee and Justice Senthilkumar Ramamoorthy, on April 22 took suo motu cognizance of the shortage of drugs, beds and oxygen availability in the state based on newspaper reports. On Tuesday, when the matter came up for hearing, the bench said that the entire situation is now under control and measures taken by the central and state governments to deal with any further surge in the future appear to have made the country more prepared than it was when the second wave descended. Supplies of oxygen had been augmented all round and the ability to produce oxygen should be retained in excess of what is the usual norm and close to what may have been the peak demand during the second surge. Similarly, the emergency beds arranged should not be undone immediately, said the bench. The bench also expressed its confidence in the central government vaccination drives by observing that the supply of vaccines has been increased for the vaccination of the entire eligible population. It was the endeavor of the court to monitor several aspects during the peak of the second surge, and the suo motu proceedings appear to have at least provided a platform for the central and state governments to come together and ensure supplies of drugs, oxygen and other essentials to the state and the union territory, the bench said. The bench then appreciated the councils and also directed the state and central government to ensure that vaccinations are accelerated for persons flying abroad, particularly to students who are awaiting the second dose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Chennai Daily Updates.